Hello friends, now we are discussing engineering maths. So in engineering maths basically we have matrix and where we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, determinants, properties and matrix types. So these main adjoint, inverse, solution of three simultaneous equations, ranks up. This part is important. Next we have the differential equations and where we should choose order, degree of and solutions of differential equations. So there are some methods are there. So nth order differential equation mainly we have this CF and PF. These rules are very important. And we have partial differential equations and we have definite integrations, properties, there is multiple integrals and function of several variables, and vector calculus. So we have addition, scalar, cross product, dot product, vector operators, this gradient, divergence, curl. So this vector integration, Green's theorem, Stokes theorem, Gauss theorem, and maxima and minima, simple idea. So mean value theorem. So there continuity topics, differentiability, Rolle's theorem, and mean value theorem. Complex variables, where we discuss the basic complex, that is analytic function, and polar functions. There Cauchy theorem, residual theorems, and we have the limits and series expansions, so standard limits about illogical rules, probability and statistics, where the theory part. The next is conditional probability based theorem, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution. Also there is a random process and this permutation combinations, and the statistics and random variable, and the last is numerical methods. So let's start step by step. So first we have the engineering maths. So basic analogy we should have is plus minus into divided, and these are all fine. So clearly we have the probability, statistics, matrix algebra, vector algebra, complex integration, differential theory of equations, and we have the first check was intermediate 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, and we have calculus topics, differential calculus, numerical methods. Before that uh, so next, don't miss this part. Verbal ability and numerical ability is a very actually easy, just in the parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb. These are just analysis. Sentence completions, and numerical ability is number, sum, average, ratio, proportion, profit, loss, mensuration, blood relation. Very easy. Verbal numerical ability. Next is scoring is this one only. So so first take this matrix, just a simple matrix, A transpose, and we have the determinants, finite determinants for 3 into 3 matrix, A transpose, its properties, and next we have the this diagonal matrix, types diagonal matrix, unit matrix. You can see a symmetric matrix, the symmetry matrix, orthogonal matrix, conjugate, how to find conjugate. An idempotent. So therefore this characteristic equation A minus lambda I is equals 0. So this Ax lambda, so simply A equals to, so this solving this problem, finding eigenvalues. Next we have call A Hamilton theory, just lambda substitute by A, that's its properties of eigenvectors. We have normalized and eigenvectors, this normalized form, and we have how to find rank we have found singular forms, and this is how to we should find cofactors and inverse, and solving three simultaneous three unknown equations. So there are three methods finding rank, that is these rules actually. There is Ax equals to row transformations and non-homogeneous solutions. Rank of A is rank of, so infinitely many solutions when ranked this like. So next so next so next come to linear differential equations. So linear differential equations, first find the order, degree, find the order and degree. The solution of DEO is this is the equation P naught, the form of the linear differential nth order. So finding nth order and solution of differential equation, we have the separation of the variables, linear first order equations, and this separable variable separable method, and these are the methods. And next we have the Bernoulli's. So this form dy by dx equals to p of x into equal of this Bernoulli forms integrating factor, writing how this is. And next we have the next like exact solutions. So this is some exact juxta formula, that's it. So y equals to vx, this is also one method to find differential equations. So for f of x comma y. So if next one is important. So m1. So now correct, m1 m2 is roots of a naught m square plus a1 m plus a2 equals to 0. So m1 m2 real means y equals c1 e power m1 x plus y c2 e power m2 real and equal means c1 plus c2 this formula. So this one, and y equals e power x this one, and m1 m2 is a plus root r. So y equals e power x c1 cos h is root px as this one. So finding so any homogeneous nth order equation, that is form we have this. And next this CA plus PI. Now PI is P is if e power ax means 1 by f of d e power ax, this is d equals to a, and if it is cos ax plus or sin ax plus b, is just d equals to minus as square. So this is like, so x power m means just ulta f of d minus 1 x power m. So y e power x means f of d e power x e power is common. This is like, so Cauchy linear differential equations, this one form. Just method d4 by d square, this like to find this CF here of PF. So this is actually next we check. So this is partial differential equations forms and just representation. So Euler's theorem is there. Next we have indefinite definite integration. These are formulas how to take. So from limits a to b, take this limits. So 0 to a means f of a minus x. So this how to find if f of minus, actually we are missing Fourier series Laplace transform and Fourier transform. It's fine. So alpha, beta, gamma wise functions. Next we have the vectors. So the simple vectors about vectors. So orthogonal perpendicular vectors. Next we should take unit vectors. This is del operator is important. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y plus dou by dou z, I dou x, j dou by this operator is important. So del dou phi is I dou phi plus j dou phi plus k dou phi. So f bar is equal, so divergence f is delta f bar, and curl f bar is delta cross f bar. So x bar by bar. So this is so directional derivative, how to take this. So vector interest, we have Green's theorem. So simplify dx plus phi dy equals to dou phi by dou y dx by. So FDR is curl of f n bar ds, and Gauss theorem, and we have the maxima and minima y equals to f of x. Then we have f dash of x equals 0, and f double dash of a, f double dash of a is less than is maxima, f double dash is greater than minima, like that z equals f of x comma y. And we have the simple maximum. And next we have the limits. Limits concept is very easy. So just continue term for sin x, cos x, e power x, this one. And so limit x tends to a plus limit expenses. This differentiability is so this differentiability, the separate formula is there. So next comes to complex variables. This is normal z equals to z bar is this normal form z plane. So now analytical functions. So f of z equals u plus iv, dou phi this form and this form, and u by ux equals to vy. So these are forms, and f of zx plus iy. These are from complex integral Cauchy's theta, and methods of finding residues. This is also very important, and Tyler series just formula. Now we have the standard results of limits is some limit standard results of limits is formula sheets is very important for the Tyler series and Maclaurin's. So numerical methods. Now come to probability and statistics. Just this main and this base theorem is important. This condition. So even this first theory is then form of probability. So these are the binomial distributions. So this is the formula, and there is a normal distribution formulas, and these are the formulas. The exponential distribution is important. So there is a statistics, mean, mode, median, central tendency. These are also very important how to calculate. So by studying this engineering maths, even you can solve a JEE advanced maths previous year's problems, so that confidence you can develop.